Hey everyone, it's Arie here with Arie and Gary. Today I'm sharing my solo adventure at the brand new Zemi Miches Punta Cana all-inclusive resort in the DR. If you're after that eco-luxury escape with stunning beaches and Taino-inspired details, stick around for my unfiltered thoughts. And I'll cover the highs, lows, and tips for anyone craving some me time. Let's get into it. Landing in Punta Cana, I grabbed a private transfer to Miches, about an hour through beautiful countryside. It set me back around $100 round trip, but it was hassle-free and gave me time to unwind. As soon as I arrived, it was already giving luxury, relaxation, and tropical escape. From the moment you walk in, the space feels open, airy, and so welcoming. Miches is an up-and-coming area in the DR, quieter than Punta Cana, with emerald beaches like Playa Esmeralda right on site. The bellman was very knowledgeable of the area and took me to my room via golf cart. First impressions? Sleek eco-luxury, minimalist design, palm paths, and fresh sea air. As a new spot, there were some construction echoes, but nothing major. So I treated myself to a beach view room. It came with a spacious king bed, rainfall shower, and balcony with stunning oceanfront views. The room is designed with neutral decor, local artwork, premium bath goodies, ideal for some self-pampering. It ran $500 to $700 per night, all-inclusive, covering everything. The drawbacks? Minor issues like AC quirks. It was very difficult to adjust the temperature, but other than that, flawless. And that balcony sunset? Bliss. Zemi has 4 pools, including an infinity one with epic views, plus free daily yoga, sailing, and water sports. I've been to a lot of all-inclusive resorts working in the travel industry, and I must say that this is one of the best ones that I've been to so far in terms of service, decor, the beach, the amount of activities that you can do here as well. I love the fact that they've brought unique concepts to this resort, so there's a lot of things to choose from, like escape rooms, bowling, there's a sports bar, there's also a little water park for the kids, and there's a lot of different water activities to do on the beach as well. Keep in mind that the beach here is a little small in size, but it is still beautiful and very calm. I ended up doing an excursion to one of DR's most beautiful islands, Taino Island. An 8-hour tour came with boat transfer, lunch, and drinks. The beach was something out of a movie. Crystal clear, calm turquoise water with white sand. Aside from relaxing on the beach, you can also do some shopping at some local gift shops on the island. The nightlife at Zemi is electric. You have anything from acrobats to salsa dancers. A food lover's paradise. Over 10 all-inclusive options. No need to worry about extras. Standouts, fresh ceviche at the beach grill, Peruvian fusion mains, and creative cocktails at the swim-up bar. Breakfast buffets were loaded with tropical fruits and custom omelets. Veggie options were plentiful, and the staff was super welcoming. Honest note, portions are huge, but as a new resort, some flavors were still finding their groove. Club Azur is the resort's premium elevated category designed for travelers who want an enhanced, more exclusive experience during their stay. It combines private services, upgraded amenities, and stunning spaces that make your vacation feel especially luxurious. It also has the only adults-only pool on site. Looking to get a quick workout in on vacay? No worries. This resort has a top-of-the-line gym with a Pilates and yoga room. Even the gym's architecture felt modern and luxurious. During the days, they set up several unique activities for the guests, such as pottery workshops, ping pong tournaments, and more. Overall, Zemi Miches gets an 8 out of 10 from me. Fantastic for anyone seeking eco-luxury and solitude. Worth it? Definitely for a refreshing reset. I miss my baby right now, Gary, but I'm happy that he's at Secrets exploring that resort and giving you guys his honest review, and I will be doing the same here at Zemi Miches. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment your favorite part of the video.